ready with me to shoot some videos. Actually, I'm going to shoot some Insta reels. So I'm generally showing you my normal makeup routine which I generally do while shooting any type of videos or anything. Then I already done with my skincare and everything with my hair. So also today I'm just generally telling you what makeup I generally do. So firstly, I use this primer which is from Fit Me, and I generally use this, which is very important that your skin, you should use a primer as it makes your makeup more flawless. So I take an adequate amount of it, generally apply all over my face and massage it. And now I'm going to use this BB cream from My Glam Cosmetics. And after that, I also take a little amount of it on my fingertips and apply on my eyelids. And lastly, the lipstick. Today I'm using this one, My Glam lipstick, which is the shade LM20. And for accessories, I'm just wearing this bracelet, my ring, the spin around like this, and this is a cute little clip which I'm gonna apply like this. So that's my overall look. My makeup. And for the accessories, I'm wearing this ring, this bracelet, ring, and earrings, and that's my overall